Hello teachers, how are you all doing? It has been a month since we see each other. I hope you're all doing well and safe. So this afternoon, I want to introduce to you a Bliss platform called Padlet. It is a place for us to collaborate. It's a place for us to put our ideas and thoughts together. All right, so let's begin. Padlet is an online platform where we can use to collaborate, we can use to share ideas, we can also use this place to communicate to each other. So it has been a month now and we do not know how long this will last, but as a teacher, as colleagues all together, I think it's also important that we continue this connection and this relationship building. So this is a place where we can chill out. It's interactive, it's fun, it's easy. We can also use this to encourage and support each other. So we really encourage all of us to share our stories, our success and our failures. You can see some stories has been shared in there. It's quite funny. Yes, we are here to show our love to each other, to encourage each other as a school community, as teachers, as friends, and as colleagues. So we can't do this physically, but we hope this is a simple platform that we can use to continue on this support and community building. And also, it can also be a platform for us to share our ideas and resources. After a few weeks of online teaching, we can share some of our thoughts and resources in there so that we can also help each other along the way. And of course, we also share our challenges because we must remind each other that we are here to support each other through this difficult time. There's so many changes, it's not easy, it can be quite stressful. That's where we're here to support each other, so please come in and share with us your challenges, and tell us the tips that you need so that we can do something that is of help to all of us together. And so let's begin. The thing that you need is to get this link. And I'm not mistaken, this link is given to you. Father would have emailed this to you or WhatsApp to you. Okay, so now let's go to that link. This would be the email that Father has emailed you. You can copy this link to paste it onto the URL, or you can just click on the link to bring you to the Padlet. So it's as simple as that. You just click on it and it will have brought you to this Padlet. If this is your first time using Padlet, you will not be signed in like I am. For example, if I bring you to this particular another screen here, all right, this screen will be the one that I have just pulled out. You should be able to see this here. You are not signed in. I really encourage you to sign in. So what you do is you just sign up, and you can just sign up using your Google account, and it will bring you to the particular Padlet. For example, now I'll sign in using my other school account. And yes, and now I am actually signed in as my account here. All right, so here in this window, you shall see that there are different tiles that we have put on that we can actually share our thoughts and our ideas. Right? Like for example, gratefulness. Here we can share some of the things. So do post it up. Because and here have a funny stories. Yes, Miss Chin and Leroy has already put on some of the stories. You should read this one from Leroy. He said there's he says that one of these kids asked him, whether you should bring the laptop to the toilet. It's really funny. So do share your stories as well, because I think this really sort of encourages us. And here also is a platform where we can put on some of your stories, some of your challenges. And here Miss Jin has also shared some of the books that she found that was very helpful, a link. And here you can scroll down some more and see some of this here. Miss Day has also put on some of these pictures. So now I'm just going to quickly show you what can you do in this platform. One of the things you can do is you can always, if you like this, you can click on the like button, yeah, to show that you really love this post. Or you can add a comment. Yeah, you can add a comment by just clicking here very simply, and you just type it. Or if you feel that you have a post to post up, you can always click on here, on top here, and you can give it a title. You can post a title. Yeah. And you can start writing something, yeah? Here I'm writing, I find Google Classroom very helpful for me to organize my work. And once you are done with that, you can post that. So once you have typed in your thoughts, you can use some of these buttons which I'll go through with you. Number one, you can upload a file from your computer. Yeah, you can choose to pick a file from your computer and you can upload it here. If not, you can also have a link. Let's say if you find a certain link or a YouTube video that is very helpful, yeah, you can just copy that link, enter it here, and click save, and it will come out here. Or number three, you can choose this little magnifying glass, yeah, and you can start to search from the Google. You can add a picture. For example, here it has auto search for a Google Classroom for me, and it will have come up right here, right? So so that is using this the search button. You can search for a video. Yeah, you can also search for some of the other things and even audio file. So go for it, you know, make it interesting. You can search for a picture like this to make it interesting. All right, and once you're done with it, you can just click out any outside the box and it's already been posted, and that's it. Yeah, and here, if you want to be a bit more adventurous, you can change your color. Yeah, you can change the color that you like, yeah, and make it a little bit more interesting by right-click on it, and you can choose the color. Okay, and let's say if you have posted it on the wrong post, yeah, you want to transfer it to somewhere else, yeah, just click on transfer posts, yeah, and then it gives you a choice of where you want to transfer it to. You want to move it to another section, then you just move that to another section. Yeah, very simple. Yeah, but other than that, that's it. And post your ideas, post your thoughts, you know, post your challenges. Let us share our resources with each other to continue to encourage each other. All right, so that's all, and I hope this has been helpful. And if you want to know more about using Padlet, feel free to contact me, and I maybe can be able to do some tutorials with you on this, because you can also use this with your students to share some ideas, to talk about different topics of your lessons and all that. So, okay, signing off, and I hope all of you the best, and do come into this Teachers Lounge and share your ideas so that we can all put our ideas together, we can collaborate and make this online learning more fun and helpful for each other.